The smaller class size is really beneficial. You get a lot of hands-on time with the teacher.
Whenever you don't get something, you can come in the plant and look at it, feel it. Just makes it a lot easier to learn.
I enjoy having a smaller class. It's really good.
You know, you don't have 30, 40 kids in your class.
We can come in the lab more and do some more hands-on things, fixing things and running more, and it's really good.
What I am is an instructor. What I'm actually doing now is teaching the 4th class power engineer, eventually graduating to the 3rd class power engineer.
They get to know you as a person, as an individual, and actually caring about your success. We have Elaborate on site, which is great. Once again, the instructors are phenomenal. They're just their knowledge base and the way they put it through to us is just, yeah, it's really great.
We spend about 2 days a week in the power lab here and the rest in the classroom. We go over basically everything relating to boilers, valves.
Getting to know the ins and the outs, not only how to run them, but how to fix them, seeing the integral parts of how they actually work, which is, yeah, it's really beneficial when you can actually take something apart and see actually physically how it works, and yeah, it just goes hand in hand with what we're doing.
If students want to progress further, their availability to take the 3rd, this year it's actually sequential, so it's back to back, and then they can actually graduate and go further if they so desire.